just no hype up Shawn, you no see him a jump. Big transmission, you no give him a flap. Boy, they a freak, you never know. Him suck, y'all talk from Tokyo. Them are no king, shit in a plate, shit in a bag. Them fear me, just like the spirit of God.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yes, love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV, you know the man of peace. I'm here to take the violence off the streets, living love and unity and strength. Right now, Deva Bratt, the Brat is back, return of the Brat. Karaoke war. Jesus peace. No sir. Kartel. One I forgot answer no. See what Shawn Storm. One I forgot answer, brother. Deva Bratt is back. On the no said it. The artist bad. I tell you, I'm just a forward from work in the viewers and subscribers. I will go up on my YouTube. Let me see. Deva Bratt. Karaoke war. Big up yourself in the Alex. And big up yourself in the G. Yes, man. Mr. So I said, Linefoot review. So we are going to review. It's now 4 minutes to 3 in the morning. You see me? Yeah, 4 minutes to 3 in the morning. But you can't turn it up too loud because youth them asleep and neighbors them are wife. You know England stays, it's not like Jamaica. You see me? But yeah, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. See me? Yes, man, we are going straight in there now. Karaoke war. Boy, Deva Bratt. Give him glory, give him flowers, man. A fame time now for make some money out of the music and rich. Gatekeepers, we are all long the man from all long, who all who black the man and bar the man, right now for send him a road. I hear no fans who send Deva Bratt a road. Social media run things though. Here we go on. I love that rhythm, a big rhythm. The man draw fire now. Yo, this I got to all of the fans from a... Yeah. Lord Jesus. Deva Bratt is another secret. This I tell me. Why they are freak? You never know him. So girl tour from Tokyo. Jaja. Tokyo. Yeah, we like that. Why they freak, you never know. So girl tour from Tokyo. Well, my bad man story go. Don't you digital know I got the flow. Don't you digital know I got the flow. Big up digital, big up flow. Pull up the part. Nuclear never know, you know, the art. You know, nuclear. Who is nuclear? Me don't know, you know. One more time, put it up again. Remember, these are long time friends, you know, so Deva Bratt know everyone. You see what I say? Boom booklet! Teacher, you lied to me. Yo. Where's that teacher? You lied to me. All of the same because you go pick up shoes. You lied to me. Shawty go work. Shawty go give you the coochie and you cry. That part of nice. Shawty never deny. She own it up. Oh, so come like Shawty being honest and say, I couldn't hold it in her, so I give. No, I'm going to give you a little piece, you know, but you know, Kartel say I eat that, you know. I give her the coochie. No, sir. Hold on, who is Fanbreeze? You say Fanbreeze or Fagbreeze or Fanbreeze? Fanbreeze? I wonder if Shawn Storm attack or Matsus. Return of the Brat. Return of the Brat. Yes, man, the Brat is back. Where's my fans? All of the fans of Deva Bratt right now, make him know, say, on the day with him, you know, forward down in the comment section, you know. The Brat is back. I'm not like that one a shot. Shatawale propose at the show, no Shatawale bend down like he go propose. Hey people, go watch my new video, Bonnie and Clyde. I saw me propose to the Empress, you know. Big up yourself, you style here. You see me? Yes, man, the man say, yo, the Brat is back with song again, you know. You see me? Shatawale bend down and like him want propose to the man. Watch out again. Trending! Yes, so the man I say, Shatawale go down on him knees and I propose and Kartel not even say, yo, get up man, what you do? Get up man, you know? Him allow Shatawale for bow. He allow Shatawale for kneel down. You see me? And so Deva Bratt say, yo, you should tell the man to get up man, what you do? Get up. You see me? Deva Bratt, oh you know the man need prison food, eh? Oh you know that. Teacher have him money man, away you talk about man, base, swim around man and big food and shrimps and all that. Me don't know ya man, me don't know. Sorry my people, me still recover from the flu. One bad flu go around, you see. I'm gonna kick with the flu and I just the coughing now, but the man, my apologies, the man say, yo, Vybz, a Vybz him say. I just listen to the song for the first time. The man say, you like Vybz, a freaky too. No, sir, pull that part again. Vybz a freaky too. Me have to wonder what them do to you. Lord Jesus. The Brat is back. Return of the Brat. You want to say that one a shot? Let me know in the comment section beneath. You know what I mean? Yes, man. Yo, I want to say 10 out of 10 or 8 out of 10 or 9 out of 10 or let me know how it work. Let me know in the comment section below. Saying, yeah man. Them are not king shit in a plate, shit in a bag. Them fear me, just like the spirit of God. Yeah, the man switch the flow now, DJ flow. The man gone down up on the rhythm, you know. Yeah, lyric, yeah, versatility. Bad artist for a long time and deserving justice, man, like myself, yeah. Them pick me, I wonder if he my dad. I wonder if I can't tell you him attack or Shawn, Sam and Javinci them are. Me no know. You see me what him say them pick me? I wonder if he my dad. Him face well big like it is a frog. Come on now, we not support nobody but no mock about nobody illness still, but in our music, all is free. I don't say all is free and love and war, so. What? Short stuff. Deva Bratt, you deal with the man, so. The man say foot on the hype up Shawn. Him a fag. It's come out like him a drag. Why the people him attack, you know? Say Shawn Storm come out in a wig. Me never noticed that at all until me hear few of the vloggers them talking. I didn't know. Me have to go watch it back again still and really observe. Shawn Storm, see my fag. Buckler, oh, foot on the hype up Shawn, you know see him a drag. Big transmission, give him a flag, the rainbow flag, you know. Deva Bratt. The man say for 13 years him go see what that's up. Come out. Deva Bratt. You said the man got 13 years, so I wash up him. I know you said the man got 13 years and a sleep and a slab and come out. No, sir. No, that song ya different. Deva Bratt is back with full effect, full code, full force. Put crep in the neck. Yo, pick up the tech and select. Ear to the target. Yes, man. It was saying that than a microwave. No Kartel a coward, so not like you're brave. Shawn Storm a coward, not like you're brave. Who brave to test Deva Bratt right now? Run up! I want to see a lyrical war for the 2025. You know? It's all music, lyrical war, man. Shawn Storm, as the footer said, this is a moment. We don't know if the teacher will answer. You see me, I say? But someone has to. Or else Deva Bratt, a step in her neck. But that I thought that bad. I thought that bad. So Deva Bratt confirms I give a shot to give the coach. People that say I true see them coming at the pitch a shot so she can't take no more, but I don't know. But Kartel it she should do something bad, you know? When she doing can't forgive her. You see me? I know Kartel love him shorty. Man, do a whole album, you know, man. You wouldn't do the same fanboys do for you. So when I say where the fanboys do for Kartel, Kartel wouldn't do it for him, you know? And who's fanboys? A Shawn Storm or Siva? Shawn Storm or Exp0se? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. See it? Yo, the rhythm bad. We have to keep on stopping it, you know, because we don't know if the rhythm copyright, you know, because we get copyright strike. You see me, I say for the instrumental alone, because bad piece of instrumental, I know, say, the big top people them own it, but Deva Bratt, nah, like that one, bad pan the rhythm, man. Yo, body. What do you say? Pull it up. Yo, me nah like Deva Bratt chat a bag of things. I want to say about the song, I want to say what I review, yeah. Me just follow from work, you know, so we don't get no time to pre the song properly, but don't know. We gotta do a next review on it, cause bad. Me nah like mad. You see me? Me I smile, me not sad. Yo! We say Shawn Storm them most of screw right now. Kartel, all of them. Afraid, nobody not run out. It's a real say, cause them could have said we not give the limelight and the shine. Come on, man. The fans are gonna bust Deva Bratt, man, and give him the real glory, you know. Whole heap of interview, whole heap of show, whole heap of tour. Remember me telling you that Deva Bratt consistency. Deva Bratt consistency. Don't stop. You see me? I don't know, I'm a fan of all the artists them, but musically, lyrically, I will love it. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, man. Deva Bratt, big up yourself. Viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, my lion and my lioness, big up on yourself. Thanks for staying tuned. Our next vlog are coming soon. You see me I say? So stay tuned. You see me I say? Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Yes, man. I'm out. Not another word out of me mouth.
Foot on no hype up Shawn, you know see him a jump. Big transmission, you know give him a flap.